TV Vlog, shout out. Subscribe natin.
Ayan, salamat po Kuya Bal Santos Patuloy.
Next. Yeah, you just pick one, number one. So you just adjust there and make it yeah. You can make it tusok there slowly for the number one. Yeah. Make it slowly. Then yeah. Okay. Yeah, good shot. So I told you. Hey Kim, it's your turn. What's the matter with you? You in you? Or in you come?
Do you want to know who I am?
Yeah.
Who I am?
Yeah.
I am really.
You just drop the number one. On the hole. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
See that?
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
What? What do you mean?
It's okay. It's
Okay. Okay. Do what he say.
okay.
Okay.
You can put there or you can put there there. Yeah.
Because it's not a scratch. So.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. Do it slowly. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a bad shot, bro.
I know it.
Yeah. What happened to you?
I don't know.
I thought
Bye.
okay, you can pass by. I thought you're champion in New York.
Before.
Before?
1992 and then
How long?
2005.
Oh,
Yeah.
how many times?
4 times.
4 times you champion?
Yes.
Oh.
A whole new world. In this game, it's crazy.
Be careful because your component is 7
Scratch.
7 champion. 7 in Cambodia, you're champion in Cambodia. London,
If I'm you,
Alaminos.
I barely not do that again.
Oh, yeah.
Teka, nalulok ko yung langgam. Dos.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You can targeting the number 2. Yeah. You put okay.
In this
Do it slowly. Yeah.
and
Yeah. Okay. Up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's bad shot. Because the troubleshooting your double. The stick. Only one stick, not make troubleshooting 2 times. Yeah.
wait.
Because it's a bad shot. So that they move a ball.
Because it's
You
bad shot,
take you take it bad shot.
you can move
See
the
that?
ball.
Yeah.
Mm.
He's a 7 times times champion in the whole world.
Oh my god, this is
Efren
really
Gata,
hard.
Efren Gata Reyes.
This
He
is
lost.
really hard.
Oh,
At first I knew that Justin
yeah. Well, okay, you can shoot there and around and bump. Okay. You can take yeah. Do it carefully. Okay, it's good shot. No, it's bad shot.
Oh, sad. Okay.
So Justin move the motherboard. This is the motherboard, color white. Remember, this is a motherboard. That is a motherboard. This is a baby board. Yeah, motherboard shoot that all balls. Okay, it's good shot. Up the baby ball. Oh, okay.
So number 2.
You can take you can point this yeah. That is this. Point this. Point by yeah. Okay, I told you it's scratch. I told you it's scratch.
What's happening to me?
Yeah. What happened to you?
I don't know.
I thought you're champion. But your action is like baby fat. You know? Oh, see? He's a champion.
Not a champion, it's called Chamba.
Chamba. Okay, it's a chamba. Bro, it's a chamba. What did you say? It's chamba. So,
Let's see. If the next ball
you shoot.
will shoot
into the hole.
Maybe it's called champion. But
Okay.
It's not. Maybe it's called.
Okay.
Chamba. Let's see. Let's see.
Waiting.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Number 3 ball.
Up. Oh, Chamba. Hey, Chamba, bro. Oh my God. What I can see? The number 6.
Well,
He proved it.
Let's see.
He proved that he is a champion.
Let him.
Let me see with if the number 2 shoot is in the hole.
I believe he's just faking his, his talent. His,
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, I told you. Up. Bro. It's Chamba.
Is that it? No, how sad for you, man. Well then,
Bro, you can please take your seat from now on.
bro.
Because the champion is... Yeah. You can take your seat.
Take your seat.
Because all the balls
Relax and watch.
gonna shoot all the hole. See? What? Oh, bro, not the motherboard.
I forgot.
Yeah.
I'm just, I thought this one.
No, don't shoot the motherboard. Only the baby ball.
I'm sorry, I'm confused with colors.
Oh.
I have like.
See that? Two ball?
Color vision.
Yeah. It's two ball.
I confused. Sorry. What? Huh?
Yeah. Take this 4. Okay.
Is that
That's it.
cinco?
Cinco.
Where's the cinco?
4. Only 4.
Cinco?
No. 4 first.
It's cuatro.
Yeah, 4.
You're lying. I know. Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
Shoot the ball.
okay.
Oh! What happened to you, bro? Your mind is brokening. You know? Yeah. Like broken. You did not use your mind. Your mindset. How to use the ball in motherboard ball. This is a motherboard. This is a baby ball.
Mother.
Yeah. See Justin? Yeah? Oh. See? See what you see?
What is it? No, I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm not.
Oh.
I'm not
Like
really
that?
into this.
You like
but
that?
I'm just trying my best.
Up. Oh, come on.
And come on.
It's your turn, bro.
This is just easy.
Yeah.
It's easy.
You can use your magic word.
Please.
Use your magic word.
Please.
Like this.
Let me allow you
Yeah.
to
No.
shot in a simple way, like this. This is a simple.
Simple way. Oh.
And
Oh, make it double.
What?
Oh, to make it double. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Bro, if I know it's game over. Only they have only 3 ball, 8, 9, and 10. So first, pick the number 8. So bro, are you nervous because your opponent is have champion talent and
Nothing to me.
huh?
He's nothing to me.
You said that
I
the
believe
champion
that
is
I can-
nothing to
I
you.
believe that I can lose him.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay, I wait.
I very confident that I can lose him.
I wait for that. What are you saying about
Yes.
the champion? Because that your opponent is champion, you in champion. So the ball is have 3 only left. So hey champion, you need to yeah.
No need to mention my name. No
Okay.
need to mention
Yeah, hey bro, I said bro,
is
you champion?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
Because
What ball?
no, it's number 8.
8.
Yeah. You need to shoot the ball.
I'm just confused with the
Yeah.
numbers and colors.
Yeah, the next is number 9, bro. Oh, wow! Wow!
And
9.
this is
Number 9.
9.
Oh. What the moves? Oh! Wow!
You can go there.
What the moves? Oh. Whew. It's okay, bro.
Ayun, tumutok pa. Sorry. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Just the expression.
Yeah, it's only expression, but I
Shoot it, don't make it.
oh, wow! What? what are you?
What?
Yeah.
Are you?
What are you saying about his moves?
You know, champion is always champion. Like this.
Oh, wow. Hey bro, what? What did you say about your opponent? Do you believe that he is a champion?
What are you?
No, I just asking for you. What did you say
What
about
you
your
say about
opponent? Yeah,
about my loss?
yeah.
I'm not lose. I'm not a loser. I'm
So
not even.
I take my
You know.
yeah.
I am really not into this, but you can see.
Okay,
that
okay.
I'm trying my best.
Okay,
I win.
I
win
one
this.
of the I tried to lose that champion.
Also,
Guys, I tried to lose the champion. Yeah.
Ilan dati? 6.8 dong ano dati?
Wow. kalingap. Laro lang kami ni Justin. So, dito lang kami sa tambay-tambay lang muna, mga kalingap. Siya kasi panalo kanina, try ko kung matatalo ko siya. So, pero ako nagturo sa kanya ng diskarte. Video, natatalo na ako. Isa na lang. Only one ball left. So, okay. So, I lost because I lost control of myself. Being how to play billiard. My student is hard. He is hardworking. So that I lost my student. My student lost me. So this is it. So second round, we try it. We try it again. So that's it. Mga kalingap, Tagalogin ko na. Ayan, second round na to. So, yun muna mga kalingap. Yung mga... Ayasin, are you serious? At sige, yan na muna mga kalingap. Pagkatutok na. Kasalanan ko yan kung bakit ka nanalo.
I told you. All one.
Oo.
All one.
Yabang ah. Hindi dahil sa akin.
All one.